What up guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this set. This is a pretty nice long set. Now the first thing I'm going to be doing is removing all the oil off her nails, and I'm going to do this to all her nails. Now here we're just going to dust off all the powder, and we're going to use 2 brushes for this just to make sure all the powder's off. Now we're going to use 91% alcohol, and I'm going to be grabbing a 70% alcohol pad and cleaning her nails off just to remove all the dirt and stuff she has on her nails. This is my daughter's nails, guys. This is my daughter's hand, so I am going to be doing her nails. The tips I'm going to be using today, these are by Macart. You can get these on Amazon if you are interested. You get them, they're Macart nail tips from Amazon. Here I'm using the CV nails glue, and yeah, basically I'm going to add all the tips on all the nails, and then I am going to double tip her. So you're going to see me double tipping her here. The glue I'm using for the double tipping, it is the Mia Secret. I think it's the purple glue, the Extreme or something like that. I'm not sure. I hope you can see it there, but it's just a little purple glue from Mia Secret. And I really like this glue because it's a really good glue. Also like this other one, but I feel like this one works good for like a double tip. So then I'm gonna do that for all the nails. Alright, so here I'm just gonna get some scissors and cut the desired length she wants. She did one of them longer, but I'm just gonna do as long as I want. I'm gonna go ahead and clip her nails from the sides with a nail clipper to give me that nice square tip look. Yeah, so this is my daughter's nails, so I hope you guys, I did tell you guys, but this is my daughter's nails. She wanted them longer, but I didn't give her longer. She's crazy. She's getting these. Alright, so here we're just gonna go ahead and shape our nails up, and just want to go like put your nail file straight, and then just sand the sides to the desired shape you want. So I'm gonna do this to all the nails, and yeah. Alright, so here we're just gonna get our sanding band with a drill. We're gonna go ahead and take off and remove all the glue and just kind of blend in the 2 nails together. And I'm gonna do this to all the nails. So here I'm going to be using my Valentino Prep and Prime and dehydrator. I do use 1 layer of dehydrator, and then I do 2 coats of primer. Make sure you do two coats of primer, guys, if you do want no lifting on your nails. So this is me just adding my coat of primer and dehydrator and primer. So now the first thing I'm going to be doing is basically doing a thin layer of clear on my natural nail. I like doing this to all the nails every time I start like a new set, or just to kind of protect your nail from any other like discoloration or acrylic color or anything. I like to protect your nail, so that's what I'm going to do to all the nails. Alright, so here we're going to be using the iJoe Beauty acrylic in Raindrop. It's a really pretty nice shimmery glitter color. This one is a pretty nice pink like color, and then that one's a white off color. This is a pretty glitter that used this little pack to mix it with acrylic, white clear acrylic. And then this is little things that my daughter wants on her nails. So for the pinky, we're just gonna add basically the glitter. I didn't show the part where I'm adding the glitter. I'm basically just showing the part where I'm adding the acrylic, the clear acrylic, just because the part where me adding the glitter was gone. I didn't record it, and I'm sorry about that. But yeah, this is me just adding the acrylic on the nail, just so you guys have something of me putting on the pinky. So basically for this nail, what I'm doing here is just gonna kind of do like I would say like a smoky marble color. It's not gonna be really like a marble. It's more like a see-through marble. I don't know how to explain it, but I am adding the white off and then the shimmery color to it, and I think that's about it for this nail. And then I'm just gonna add the clear acrylic on top just to kind of cover my nail. So yeah, I'm gonna do that for this now. So for the middle finger, I am putting this pink cover that I did make myself. I did make this color, so I am gonna add this to all the nail. Basically kind of like I would say like feathering it off and not really putting it on the tip. I'm just basically putting it on top. So I'm just doing this to all the nail and just adding the pink. Here I am gonna put the little gold figurines that are in the little triangle. So you're gonna see me do that right now. And basically what I'm adding to it, it is a crown, a money sign, my daughter's random, money sign, a ring, I think a butterfly. I'm not sure exactly, but you will be able to see it at the end of the video what it looks like. So basically I'm just adding all these little things to her nail, and then from there I'm just gonna add the clear acrylic to kind of seal it off. Now for the index finger, I am gonna use this pretty nice pink cover color. I'm using this to do a French manicure, like French tip nail. And here I'm just doing the first part. I'm not a pro on this, and yeah, I'm learning myself how to do this thing, but I'm just basically going bead by bead, small beads by small beads. I'm not an expert. I can't do the whole one bead method. I have to do so many beads at once. So yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna add the pretty nice shimmery color to the tip, but basically I'm just adding the pink color and then the shimmery on the tip. All right, I did add some of the other glitter that I did make myself on the tip also, and then here I'm just adding the clear acrylic to seal off my nail. Now for the thumb, I'm just gonna add the shimmering glitter on the tip, and then I'm also putting that other glitter I did myself, and then I'm gonna do like a ombre type of nail with the pink cover, so you'll be able to see here. And I'm sorry, I'm going super slow. Always make sure you guys wipe your sides of your nail just to keep the shape and you have less filing for yourself. Make sure every time you add a bead of acrylic, always wipe the sides. After I'm done with that, I'm just gonna add my clear acrylic on top to seal the deal. Yeah, I'm gonna cover that and just seal my nail. So now we're just gonna go ahead and shape our nails. This is the part where I kind of have a hard time doing and I kind of struggle with, but I really like doing it now because I try to focus mainly on my shape. It is super hard, guys, and if you guys have not nailed the shape look on your nails, it's okay. Do not give up. Keep going, and the more practice you have, the better you get. Yeah, I came a long way to do the nails I do now. I used to do some crappy nails before, but my shape was way off. Now I feel like I kind of focus more on my shape, and I just gotta take your time, guys, and I'm just gonna keep doing this to all my nails. Take my time. Of course, I'm fast forwarding it because I take forever doing this part. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and shape off our nails, and just make sure you put your file like super straight. First, we're gonna, if you have like little stuff coming off from the bottom, make sure you kind of do like a 90-degree angle and file the sides, and then put your file straight to kind of make that sharp tapered square look. So then I'm just gonna do that to all the nails and mainly focus on one more than the other if I do need to. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that to all the nails. So here I'm gonna grab this small little bead. This is just gonna kind of to like dissolve my acrylic from the top and make it look seamlessly and look really pretty nice to the cuticle area. Just to kind of dissolve everything off there and make it look cute. So I'm just doing this to all the nails, and then after I'm gonna use another I think it's my ceramic bit, and it's on the fine, not sure, I think it is. Okay, yeah, so I am gonna use this one. This one is it's a fine ceramic bit. I really like this to shape my nail, and then also it is a secured bit, so which is super great for me because I do have a tendency of like getting super close to the cuticle area, and I don't cut my clients because of the bid. It is a safety bid. It is round on the top, so it does give me that, you know, good chance to get like right in the edge of my cuticle area, which I really like. And I'm sorry I'm out of focus. I am, yes, sorry. So after we're done with that, we're just gonna go ahead and reshape our nails one more time. Not really focusing on that. And then I want to go through it on top with the fine part of the file, just to kind of make sure I didn't, you know, miss any bumps or lumps. And yeah, just basically what I do to all the nails. Now we're using our buffer to take off those scratches and make it super smooth. Keep on buffing. Yes, friends, now we're gonna be dusting our nails off. Make sure you dust them real good, girl, and tell your client to clap her hands to the side. Now we're using 91% alcohol, and again we're gonna be using a 70% alcohol pad to clean off our nails. Just take off all the excess of dust and all that gushy stuff, whatever. And now the good part is coming, because this is the part where I get more excited, where I'm already done. All right, so here we're gonna use a Soleil adhesive for our rhinestones, and I am gonna be out of focus, but basically I'm just gonna add 3 rhinestones in the bottom and 2 on top, and that's all I'm doing. So from here, yeah, so sorry I'm out of focus. I will be out of focus, sorry guys. I'm sorry. I'm just adding the rhinestones here in the glue. Basically, make sure if you're using this glue to keep it refrigerated, guys. It's the best way to store it. So yeah. So here I'm using my Nail Supply Glamour Shine Top Coat or whatever. It's a really nice top coat. I really love this. It's really thick consistency, and it's really pretty and shiny. So here I'm just adding my clear gloss on top, and then I'm kind of wiping off the excess of the sides of the nail and the tip. Make sure you do this if you want your nails to stay in shape, because if you don't do this, the gel might go to sides and unshape your nail. This is what the nails look like, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did. These nails are super long, but yeah, this is what they look like. I hope you guys like my video. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys share if you guys like this video. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.